How you doing?
If you want to get your trespass, we're just going to stand by for a second, okay? If you're
Trespassing? No. I got my ID checked yesterday.
Oh, they did?
Yeah. All Jackson.
Yeah, you're good.
I got stopped actually this morning.
Yeah. They don't really have to have a reason to trespass, unfortunately. It's business, so they can.
Somebody was phoning me, and I said I was calling the cops on them, and then they got suspicious, and I said, I'm calling the cops, I think they're going to rob me last night.
That was the security. That was the security of Walmart, so.
Oh, yeah, I don't think she was security though.
They were.
Okay, well, I ended up saying I was going to call on him.
Who are you calling right now?
Oh, it's my.
Oh, I thought it was okay.
And I ended up saying, okay, well, I'm going to do this, and have my friend call, and I left the store because I wasn't going to get anything. I was like, okay, I was going to buy some stuff, but no, I'm not going to buy anything because I have these people following me. It's being weird. I don't want to get robbed again. Yeah. I'm just going to walk the fuck out of here. I'm going to go somewhere else.
I'm not calling them back.
213 flyer.
What?
Are you on the phone with your friend?
Yeah.
Can you just give him a call back?
Yeah. Can I call you back?
10 toes in the parking lot.
Can this on the phone?
Whatever.
Yeah. You have any weapons on you?
No.
Guns, knives, bazookas? No?
I'm not here.
Okay.
But
don't reach for it.
Yeah. What do you have underneath your shirt?
It's a little play vest. There's no place in it, so it's good.
Okay. Why does it say DEA?
It doesn't.
What does it say?
It doesn't. That's how you know. I said that yesterday to someone.
What does it say?
In person. This is crazy. It's a nickname. Yeah.
What's the sound of that? This morning, so.
I'm good. I'll talk to all of you.
Okay.
I got this given to me 2 days ago as a gift from a homeless person. Okay. That's why it doesn't have any plates in it.
Okay.
So.
Alright, how do you spell your first name?
P-A-U-L-J. That's the first name.
That's your first name?
Yeah, Paul.
Where do you stay at? Oh, you're homeless?
Yeah.
Here, let's move out of the street so you don't get hit.
Yeah, that's the lady that was following me. The one with the blue shirt right there.
Yeah, she's
I was probably going to call her.
Yeah, she's in play of Walmart.
Oh, my bad.
All right, man. I mean, they just want you trespassed. Not a big deal.
I got this yesterday.
What is that?
That's the same. I got robbed yesterday, and that's the same fucking case number. So I don't know if I was supposed to do that to y'all or what. But
did anybody contact you this morning?
No. I just got my phone back. I literally just got my
yeah, this morning when you're at Walmart, no, like police stopped you at all?
No.
No.
Have I been trespassed for a while?
No, I'm not talking about trespass.
No.
I guess you were in here earlier, right?
Yeah, I was in here earlier, and I was in here earlier to see because I wanted to see who the fuck had my shit, and I ended up talking to some girl.
Yeah.
Who I thought stole my shit. This is it for this, and then her name was Sasha, something. I don't know what the fuck it was, and then I ended up leaving and just saying, all right, fuck it, I'm leaving, and then I fucking left, but.
Okay.
And then the other police couldn't fucking help me, so they said my name and shit wouldn't come back. But I'm like, it has to.
Do you have? Is it out of Florida?
I am out of Florida.
Okay.
But I don't have an ID or anything.
Can you text 5-1 out of Florida by name, date of birth?
If you look it up, it's probably not going to come up. These 3 people did it yesterday. Three sheriffs looked it up yesterday. It didn't pop up, but I don't know my actual biological name.
Alpha Uniform Lima.
Yeah, I got stopped this morning, man. I'm not playing.
Okay. So you did get stopped this morning?
Yeah, but it wasn't for this. I called them on the people. I was walking over across the street over there. No, actually across the bridge. I was across the bridge, and I went over by the Dunkin' Donuts. And then across the street from Dunkin' Donuts, I actually got robbed for all my stuff. And then that's when I called the people at Dunkin', or the cops, so. They said, don't want my social security number and shit. I can't help y'all. I don't know any of those numbers.
You don't know your social? You don't know your social?
No, I don't need to memorize this for nothing. And all this stuff's in my little card pack in my wallet. That was in my little bag I always carry with me.
Yeah.
All my medical stuff, everything. But I don't know. I don't have all this stuff for it.
Okay.
So I just always remember.
Did you see the concern of wearing a vest, whether it has plates in there or not?
Is that why they reported me because I had a vest on?
Not even just that. Like,
yeah.
I mean, you're walking around getting people's faces like a vendor this morning, accusing them of stealing your wallet. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That on top of the vest thing, like.
The
see what's
vest
happening
thing?
around us right now?
Yeah.
Like, not just Florida, but like everywhere nationwide. You know what I mean? It's a big concern.
Yeah.
Claiming you're a DEA agent, like what is that?
I have had all these people following me since a couple days ago. Or a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. All these people just go, where the fuck I go? Some reason they fucking follow me.
Why are you saying you're a DEA agent?
I didn't. I said I was a DEA agent one time.
So you did?
I did.
Okay.
And that was yesterday, and I was sitting down, and there was about 10 people sitting there, and I seen them over 20 times this day. And I'm like, what the fuck are you guys following me for? They all kept looking away. She says, okay, bet. I looked at one of the ladies sitting down. I was like, hey, what are you doing with your job? This and that. And I told her I was a DA agent, but that was about it. So, and then she said, oh, wow. And then everybody just scattered. Because they stopped following me, which solved my fucking problem. So I didn't know it was fucking illegal to.
Can I see that card with that case number on it? So you don't actually know your legal name?
No. I thought this is my legal name.
Well, nothing's coming up.
Well, then, that's what they were saying yesterday, too.
Yeah.
I'm like, if something isn't a change, and they changed it when I was younger, and I've just been going ever since Paul Jackson ever since. So, I don't know what the fuck changed. My last name is fucking Jackson, Paul. Fuck, I'm not doing anything, I don't know.
Have you ever been arrested before?
Never in my life. Never been arrested, nothing. It's funny because I called y'all for the first time in my entire life just this morning, and then to help me. You guys couldn't fucking help me, and then now you guys are coming for me, and it's like, what the fuck is this? Like,
you see, but you need to have something with your name on it, like somewhere.
I do, but all my stuff got robbed of me yesterday. I keep all my important stuff in a bag. It all got taken yesterday. And then I called you guys. This morning at Dunkin' Donuts, I called you. I'm telling you, if you guys go to the bitch's house, you guys can have my fucking ID and you'll know what the fuck to say. You'll know who I am. Fucking, what's the name? Sondra or whatever, something.
Is that who took
That's
your
who
stuff?
took my shit, and then you know my real fucking shit. I'm sorry if I don't know my actual thing because I didn't memorize my real name. That's not on there. That's what I have. That's what my name says. That's what it is. That's what I know it as. If you go there, you would see all my stuff though.
Because the problem that we're running into is that we can't, positively identify it.
Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y'all, and I'm fucking only for trespassing. This isn't going to do with getting arrested. This has to do with just a warning. So, like, God.
Well, there's only 2 of us in this car because, that's what I need.
This SUV over there?
Yeah.
What we're going to do, we can't find you anywhere, so there's your fingerprint to identify you, okay?
It's like 5 shirts going on me, the main head guy, but they're trying to fingerprint me and do all that. But I told you, nothing's wrong with me. They're just trying to trespass me from going for a fucking warning.
Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you step over here in front of these bushes? You turn and face me.
Do all this extra shit. What?
Oh, get off the phone, okay?
I have to get off
I'm
the
not
phone.
going to ask you again.
Hey, you're staying on speaker though. Yeah, I'm on the phone still. And I'm at Walmart.
Stay off.
They're gonna try and do something dumb to me, like shoot me for no fucking reason because I'm black.
What are you talking about, bro?
No one's gonna shoot you.
Saying that garbage.
But hey, stay on the phone.
No one's gonna shoot you, bro. Relax.
Yeah, are you okay?
I know they're gonna fucking shoot me, man. You better.
No one's gonna shoot
Y'all better
you.
come to Walmart, son. Shit.
Let me see that vest that you got on you.
Is it the police?
It's the police, sheriffs. Fucking pussies. If I would have done something, I would have fucking ran or something by now. Damn.
Can you spell your first name for me?
P-A-U-L.
Your middle
First
name? What is it?
Riley, for my middle name. Riley. R-I-L-E-Y.
Okay. Last name?
Right here. Jackson.
Okay. Has her, from what, again, I haven't spoken with you, so this is the first time. What is your date of birth?
January. J-A-N-U-A.
I didn't ask you to spell January. I asked you what your date of birth was, sir.
January 12, 2001.
2001.
Never had an ID or a license.
Ever.
So you know.
Who was that on the phone?
This is my mom.
Oh, your mom?
Yeah.
Does your mom know your social?
No.
Yeah, we're just trying to verify who you are. If you have a social or an ID card, even if it's expired from previously, it doesn't matter. We're just trying to make sure we can identify who you are properly.
Is it okay if we speak to her mom?
What?
Can we speak to her?
No, they don't. You don't want to talk to her mom?
I'm just trying to confirm if it's him, you know? It says violates probation, misdemeanor, looks like possibly a warrant, limited extradition.
Just go ahead and turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back, look. Put your hands behind your back.
Like you're praying, interlock your fingers.
I will not fight. Just don't fucking shoot me.
No one's shooting you, man. No one's shooting you. Because you're giving us a fake name, and it's showing you have a bunch of warrants, so.
Okay, they arrest me right now, so might as well go to the sheriff's station, whatever.
What are they arresting you for?
Apparently I have fake warrant or fake name and warrants, whatever. What? Yeah, come up here, because they just shoot me for some dumb shit, man.
No one's shooting you.
I'm driving right now. Do you need me to do anything for you right now?
Yeah, come to the fucking Walmart.
No, I am, but do you need me to do anything? Is there any... Oh, Lord.
I don't fucking know.
The thing is, you're giving us a fake name. You're giving us a fake name. That's the first problem. Probably because you have a bunch of warrants. You knew you did. That's all. And today,
2 warrants.
Today,
a misdemeanor. Simple
right.
misdemeanor.
So you knew that.
So you're basically nothing. You're talking about PO and
listen,
my PO violation.
It's time to take care of them. That's it.
Okay.
You had a good run. Take care of them.
I
And
was
move
trying
on.
to get back to Iowa before I had to take care of you bitches. I didn't
All right.
transfer.
Well, you didn't make it.
Taking that with me. Oh yeah, that's my fucking 22 right there. Oh, this one hard as shit, man. Damn.
That's how they are, buddy.
How you gonna put me in a small ass thing?
Yep. Not much.
Nah, fuck. Hurry up. Come on. I'm too tall to be in this fucking seat forever, man. Come on, just let me get outside until I fucking go somewhere.
Listen, you want to talk to your mom?
Yeah.
All right. So just relax, man. All right. I'm the commander on tonight. All right.
Well, Commander, can you let me step my legs out or something?
I'm gonna let you step. We will in just a
too damn
second.
tall
All
for
right?
this
I
shit.
just want to, before I get you in the rain, I want to keep you out of the rain as much as possible. I want to ask you about earlier, okay? Because people earlier, you had mentioned you were a DEA agent.
No,
I
they're the
guess.
same people from last night. That's what I'm telling you. These people are following me. And they took my shit. If they're the same motherfucker I said it to, then that's how they would know. That's how it clicked to my fucking head.
Who'd you talk to at Walmart, this Walmart earlier today?
Some bitch I thought stole my shit.
Okay. Was it? You think it's the one that did?
I think it's the one that fucking legit stole my shit. Now yesterday it's the bitch. Now I have the girl's name who actually did this steal shit.
Okay.
I used to stay with her. Her name was like Sanja, bitch and shit, bunch and shit, some bullshit like that. She lives in a fucking trailer 69 and fucking that bum ass Benel. But
So you seen this girl today and thought it was her?
yes, and she had a other girl with her,
Okay.
and that looked just fucking like her. Well, I thought she was the one who stole my shit. Well, it just so happened I did say that shit yesterday, and I confronted the I confronted the bitch yesterday for following me.
Okay.
Her and her friends, she's the one that like a ringleader. She the one that got everyone to start following me and do all this fuck shit. She made up lies, this and that. Now they all hate me. They want to follow me and kill me and shit.
Okay.
Now, I said that shit yesterday. Yeah, fuck yeah, I did. Now, but today, I confronted her. I'm like, yo, what the fuck is you doing? Da 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 da. She said, oh, why did you get my face? I didn't get your face. I'm about 2 feet away from you. Check the cameras, bitch. But I'm telling you, like,
you're talking a mile a minute, man. I want to make sure I get everything clearly. So what exactly did you say yesterday? You're saying?
Yesterday, I was being followed, and I was trying to just chill, and then these people came up to me, and they looked like he was finally about to do something. So
Okay.
I started talking to this girl next to me. Said, "Oh, hey, what do you do for work?" I don't know. She was saying what she did for work, and then I said, "Oh, I got a Daytona, huh? Well, I seen you over in, Palm Coast and fucking hammocks where all these fucking crazy people trying to kill me." Oh yeah, well I'm from there. My mom's from there. Blah, blah, blah. I was like, oh, okay, fine. So then after I said that, then I was like, okay, well I'm a so and so, and then that's when everybody else just backed the fuck up and left me. And ever since then, they left me alone. But then this morning, they followed me back here, cut me the fuck off, and they took all my shit. And then I tried to confront the bitch for taking my shit. I was trying to call the cops, but I didn't have my phone. And I just got my fucking sister just gave me back my phone the other day, like a little bit ago. So,
So was it the same girl from last night, or wasn't it?
The one I said that to?
The one in Walmart.
I don't think I said it to that same one, but she might have been in the group of people with
Okay.
the people that heard me say that. But I didn't say it to her today, no.
So the girl in Walmart today ended up not being the same girl from last night.
I don't think so.
Okay. All right, and because the girl from today in Walmart said that you were a DE agent or whatever too. So I mean, obviously she ain't gonna pull that out of her butt. You know what I mean? That's like that'd be pretty random if you said to someone last night and this stranger.
I think it was her because it would look the exact fucking. Look up Sandra Bunchenship or whatever the fuck her name is. If you do that, you will see it's the exact same fucking person as whoever that bullshit vendor is, because the vendor wouldn't give me her fucking name. She said her name was Sum. And I was like, okay, what the fuck? Like, you won't tell me your name? She stuttered. She wouldn't tell me. The reason I went after this girl to find out who she was because I was walking through Walmart today, gives my shit, and then I look over, the girl looks over at me, stares at me, and goes, and then hurry up and just runs the fuck away. Like it was nothing. Okay. Walks over, puts on all her gear, and then fucking just goes about her day.
Were you wearing the vest?
And I walk up to her. Yeah, but I always have the vest covered. I'm not gonna pull the vest out.
So you had this over it, this shirt?
Yeah, I always have this over it. I never just keep the vest out or.
Okay.
I don't show.
Yeah, I figured you probably wouldn't.
Yeah.
But did you say like to her, like I'm DA and like kind of like expose the vest a little bit?
No,
just so
they
she'd
said
back up
they
from it?
asked about it. They said, "What are you off duty?" And I said, "No, I'm not off duty." But they must assume I was on duty or some shit. But I didn't say nothing about DEA. Not today. Nothing to DEA today.
Just
I'm not dumb enough to say DEA to Walmart. I said DEA to some people who were going to kill me, about 30 people deep surrounding me.
Last night.
Yeah. Then that seems like there's other people, other undercovers around me, so they'll come and help me out, so everyone just wants to back off. But if I didn't say that shit, I would have been fucking done for. Because they were all sitting next to me, standing up around me in a circle, acting like they was on some hot shit. Today, I wouldn't say that. I had no reason to. I just wanted to say, yo.
Because the girl called today and said you did. I mean, she have no reason to lie, is what I'm getting at. I'm just trying to establish your credibility, man. Like, I don't, you know, I think you've been fairly truthful aside from your name. Like, I just don't want to get the story wrong. So, if you said it today, I just want to know so we can move on with this.
I do not recall saying it today.
Okay.
That is my thing. I do not recall. I said it yesterday.
Possible you said it today?
Possible about 40 odd.
Because I could tell you 100% I didn't call myself a DEA agent today. So, I mean, it's either yes or no, man. Like
I didn't say anything about DEA today. That's what I'm saying. I said it yesterday,
Okay.
so I don't know why he keeps coming up about today.
All right.
The same bitch was from yesterday.
So she is the same one from yesterday now.
I think she is the same motherfucker. You guys say she's not.
I didn't say she was or wasn't. I don't even. This is the first time I'm hearing about something yesterday.
Okay, yes, that was the same fucking bitch. To my recollection, my best recollection, that was the same girl from yesterday. The same girl that robbed me. The same girl that did all that shit. So yes, I was gonna go up and confront her. And yes, I was gonna go up and what? So I did not say anything about DA today, though.
So what happened when you confronted her today?
I went up to her, followed her. She tried to hide in one of the shelving things and put her face in the fucking carpet. You look dumb as fuck, just standing in the corner doing nothing. Like, what? Get your iPad or do something smart. I walked up to her and I was like, hey, you stole my wallet, didn't you, last night? And she's like, no, I don't even know what you're talking about. And she stuttered though, she didn't say that at first. I said, you stole my wallet, didn't you, last night? And she looked at me like dumbfounded, like, how the fuck did I find her? And then I know, like, okay, bitch, well. And then I just said, okay, well, you gotta come with me. Well, you gotta go call the cops for me to see if we can get this figured out. If you're not, you can leave. I don't give a fuck. But if you are, then.
So everything you said is exactly what she said too, up to the point that when you confronted her, you told her like, hey, I'm a DEA agent. Like, I want my stuff back.
Didn't say anything about DEA.
All right.
Well, why would I say DEA if I want my shit back? If I'm DEA and I want my shit back, the fuck? Who's gonna take shit from a DEA? The fuck?
People steal from the cops all the time.
Yeah, shit. Wish I could. Shit.
He was ultimately charged with falsely impersonating a law enforcement officer and giving a false name to a law enforcement officer. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.